Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Donor Channel Analytics. Donor has uploaded 144 videos. She now has 9.57 million subscribers with a total view of 12,445,768,749 views. She's from US, and her channel type is entertainment. She created her channel since April 5, 2018. The grade she got is A+, and her Social Blade ranking is at 13th. The subscriber ranking is 909th and then video view rank is 142nd. She ranked 342nd in US and 291st in entertainment. Next, the daily view for Donor is around 36,986,666. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 37 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $148,000. Then, monthly income will be $4,440,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,442,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $29,304,000. That is how much Donor earns from YouTube.